first. We're gonna have to take all
We're
the.
gonna decide on our route. We have an A route. Does anybody want to do the A route tonight? Yeah! No A route. Another option is a B route. It's 50.
Go, 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 go. What up, Big Daddy?
What's up? You got 3 lenses on the thing?
What was going on tonight?
We had a specialized demo with the new release last week, Specialized EVO 8 and Specialized EVO. 120, 120 front and rear travel.
Perfect
130,
time.
120. Perfect for the Southeast. Absolutely. You want a rail, you want a rip. This is the bike right here.
Nice. Well, good ride tonight.
Fun ride. Thanks for being with us.